I'm just going to show a small demo of how I do my cartoon. It's always interesting to understand the space where you're going to do. Most of the time what we cartoonists get is the dimension or the size of the cartoon. In this case I will do a space within which I am going to do a figure. Here what I thought was a very typical temple priest. So that's always an interesting character to see. So how I do my character is, visually I divide the space into 2-3 areas. That is the head, and then the body, and then the leg. And normally when I do my cartoons, I kind of do the eyes first. You know, my eyes are nice and big and round, and they define my drawing. And then I always have a big nose, and then you have the ear part of it, and then you have the neck, and then you have the arms, and then he has fingers, very bold fingers. And all the priests you will see, they have a nice big pot belly, and then they are normally wearing a veshti kind of a thing. And then you have the legs coming out of the veshti. If you draw just the person, you will seem that that person is actually floating in the air, so you need grounding. So let's see what this man is doing. Having a headphone, and then you have the eyebrows. He seems pretty happy listening to that music. The marks, and then the music is happening. And then you can, what you do is, this is a very basic drawing. Now you can keep adding elements to it. Okay, so it kind of, completes as to how the thing is. And typically when in the road in Chennai, when somebody is actually standing, who is the companion with him? Man's best friend. So man's best friend is always standing with him. After you finish this basic drawing, then you cut off the areas where it is clashing. In my drawing, you can typically see that the human form has got only 4 fingers, and then you have only 3 toes. Unless that is the focal point, it doesn't really make sense, and it actually is nicer to look at if there are less number of fingers. And then what you do is you start shading. Shading is another important part of the cartoon. Once you have to finish it, it looks much more nicer if you shade it properly. I'll fill up the whole thing with black, and then you can also add couple of elements like a grass probably growing. Next to that he's standing. A lot of people will probably see even small details like this arrow mark, so it shows that he's listening to an iPod kind of a thing. But what could he be listening? He could be listening to probably this song. So this is it. So we can get an idea as to how the whole thing has moved right from the beginning to the end. Of course, you can keep adding a lot more elements. When I finish my drawing, it will have all the elements of complete finished drawing. So this is a basic drawing of this man standing with the elements of a temple at the back, but he's still listening to English song. People don't actually imagine that he's listening, but actually he's enjoying the English song. And his best friend or his dog standing next to him, similar noses, similar teeth coming out, and he's also seems to be enjoying because his master is enjoying. So this is a very basic drawing which I've done, and the most important thing about this drawing is your signature.